Hello, good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Ana Marica Asi. I am 30 years old from Bulinaw, Pangasinan, Philippines. My height is 150 cm and my weight is 52.5 kg. My educational background is high school graduate and I have a live-in partner and I have a one son. I have experience abroad and domestic helper in Kuwait for 5 years. I serve 4 members of the family. They have 2 babies. The one baby is 1 years old, baby boy, and the other one baby is baby girl, 3 months old. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of them, loving with them, playing, and also cleaning, ironing, washing dishes, washing clothes, and also marketing. I sing a song also for the babies like a twinkle twinkle little star. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Ma'am, please, ma'am and sir, hire me as your domestic helper. If you heard me, I promise that I working hard and loving and caring your children. And also, I want to work in Hong Kong so that I support my family financial need and also the education of my son. I am trust and honest, hard working. I happy and I promise to you that I happy and I willing to work with you soon, ma'am and sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.